Because of painting work, you will see that I have some white marks everywhere on my clothes, but this is just going to last for quite a while because I have so much painting to do. I painted this door yesterday or the day before. My memory is super bad. This is also quite ready, so what I'm going to do is I like the style of white walls and dark brown details. So with time, I want to buy antique items that are dark brown. This is quite an old item, like furniture, but not as old as I like. And so it's going to be like white walls and dark furniture and also dark floor, dark brown floor. So this is the color of the floor. It's again with paint now, but I'm going to remove this floor color, which is like chocolate, light chocolate brown, and I'm going to sand the floor, and I'm going to tint it with dark paint so that real wood is seen through, and it should look really good. Look at this royal carpet that I got, and please ignore the curtains. There are two of them still there because there was so much work, and it's my room, so yeah, I don't mind sleeping like this. Of course, I will change it with time, but this is the carpet that I recently got, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's exactly like it was shown in pictures online. I love it so much. I love carpets, and this is quite thick carpet also, so it's excellent for winter. I've also made a discovery. This is the bed that I'm sleeping on. Inside the bed, I found many all kinds of materials like for bedding and curtains, so I'm going to check what they are now. So this is the curtain that I found here, and it's beautiful. I like it. It's traditional Lithuanian, but it's very thin, so now I'm unable to use it because for winter I want thick curtains because they insulate the home. And this is another curtain. It's again very beautiful for daytime, and I hope I will find more than one of them because then I can put them here, hang them here in this room, because now the curtains, day curtains here are terrible. I will show you. They look like this. And this is small pillow. Yes, there is another one curtain, the same one, like the one I showed it to you. So I'm going to certainly use that. So there are two of them. There is a tablecloth. This is for sleeping. Actually, this is also a curtain because it has these things. Again, it's made by that lady, I'm sure. Yeah, but I can't use this also. Again, it's a thin material, and the color, it's not actually even a curtain material, so I can use this for sleeping on. And here is it's probably for pillow. I think it's a pillow cover, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. It's like a big pillow cover. Nice detail. It's with a nice detail. Another pillow cover, a small one. This one is so pretty. Maybe I can use this with this. Let's see. Yeah, I can actually now try to fit it in. Yep. Excellent. Very good. Another pillow cover. Then this is also a very useful material. I will show you. I actually need it. Okay, this material is cheese making material. I don't know how it's called in English, but it's really good to have. It's very useful. And I can make also apple cheese with this. This one, oh, this is so pretty. Again, it's from natural fabric, and it can be used as many things. It can be used as a tablecloth, or it can be put on sofas. This looks more like a tablecloth. Very pretty. I'm going to use that for maybe some celebration because it's white. I can't use it every day, but surely I can put that to use. And let's see what I can find in this bag that again I found inside this bed. It seems here that new items are placed. Wow, this is one of my favorite things. This I can actually use for curtains. Although this is again a tablecloth. You see, in Lithuania these things were so valued, and now people don't use tablecloths much. And unfortunately it's white, but it has some yellow stains, but they are like a slight. You can't see it, I guess, in this video, but yeah, there are some stains, so it's not new, but it's very little, and I think I'm going to use this for the curtains of my room, because I do need to change them. They look awful, the ones that I have. You saw double ones, different colored. And this is yet another fabric pattern. You see how beautiful, again, natural fabric. This one had another pattern. But again, since it's white and it's not as thick as that one, but it's pretty thick, I still may be able to use it as a curtain. I need to think about that. And another one, again, another pattern, yet the same natural material. Again, I can use this as a curtain. I'm so happy that I found this bag because I needed more white curtains that I can use on just a temporary basis. Again, this is the same thing, and there are different thicknesses. Oh, this is very thick. Excellent. I'm going to use this too, and all of them are white. Excellent. Now I'm going to show you how the curtains looked in this room, and then I will show you them changed. So as you can see, this is the curtain that was put here. Actually, that was my curtain, but it's not suitable. And I had only 2 of them, and they are too short for this room. And this is another curtain. Again, it's a good curtain, but it's too short for this house. It's thick though. So I'm going to remove it, and this is another curtain. I'm going to just attach them like this. This cat doesn't leave me alone, so I had to bring him in, or her, I don't even know. Because it was just sleeping next to the door and it's cold, so I felt sorry for him. It will probably make a mess of everything here, but I couldn't just leave him. Yeah. Little bit crazy cat. Little bit crazy cat. But okay. Look how small these apples are. Like some kind of cherry or something. No, kunwari. 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 Don't leave me alone.